to my cooking show, guys. No,
Hey!
I'm just kidding. That won't go in there. Maybe it will. I don't know. All right, guys. So today I have my friend Michelle from Michelle's Blackstone.
Hey, hey.
And she specializes in keto recipes on the Blackstone. So we are going to do a low-carb Korean chicken stir-fry.
Ooh, that sounds delicious. Let's do it.
I love it. If you can maybe mince up like 5 cloves of garlic.
Okay, I can do that.
I always go a little heavy on the garlic. I don't know.
We love garlic.
We do. I'm going to preheat the Blackstone to medium. Charlie, would you like to come in here and tell everyone how to say this?
Please and
Please
thank you.
do. How to say these low-carb noodles. How do we say these?
Shirataki.
Shirataki noodles. Okay, so these are the noodles for our stir fry. They are only 10 calories and very low carb.
Delicious.
Shirataki. I'm bossy today. I'm giving
love
everybody
this.
jobs. Michelle's doing the garlic. I'm also going to have her do the ginger.
Okay.
Kelly King style.
Yes.
Got to shout out Kelly King. And then I'm going to do the sauce. We're going to start with a Korean gochujang chili paste. I'm not really going to measure today. Some days I measure, some days I don't. We're going to aim for about 2 tablespoons. And then I have this Kikkoman teriyaki sauce. It has no, sometimes it happens, guys. This has no high fructose corn syrup. It is very low carb and very low calorie.
Perfect for that keto diet.
Yeah. We're gonna go with about a half a cup. Will you actually cut that into like, I don't know, 1/6?
Yep. Cuts like butter.
I love that knife. I'm telling you.
So it's a butter.
It's a nice
Yeah.
knife. Do you want 4th or?
Yeah, 4ths are good because I'm really just gonna like squeeze it on in there for a little acidity.
Okay. What Kelly King taught me is if you take your ginger and you take a spoon, you can just go like this. I just got it in my eyeball. You can get your ginger this way.
I would say like a teaspoon would be good. Like a teaspoon of ginger.
We're gonna wing it. Let's just.
We're just eyeballing it, guys. This is how we roll. Yeah, we measure with our heart. I'm just giving her I'm just bossing her.
No,
around.
that's okay.
I mean like thin slices of the red pepper.
Okay,
Okay.
I can do that. Welcome back. We are here at Sherry's house, and she has went inside and left me alone. So much fun. So much fun.
So anyway, we're back, guys.
We're back. We're back.
Hey!
Hey.
Sorry. We're gonna get on with some cooking oil first. Michelle, do you want to put just the red pepper down?
Okay.
Perfect.
Ooh, love that sizzle.
I'm also going to put a diced pound of chicken thighs. You can also use chicken breasts. You can do the salt and I'll do the pepper.
I didn't know how to do it earlier, so I kind of grinded, and it might be still there.
It's fine. We're just
Wait.
gonna.
Oh!
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Smells delicious.
It does.
This Triton series chef knife is amazing. Thank you, Spaceman Knives, because it is perfection.
It's awesome.
Let's add some garlic and ginger.
Would you like to do this with me? Teamwork.
It takes 2.
So we're gonna add our noodles. What are they called again, Charlie?
Shirataki.
Shirataki. All right, and then we're gonna add our Korean chili paste teriyaki sauce. That's low carb. I'll let you mix it up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle in the beautiful green onions that she cut. And about half of the cilantro because we want to keep the other half for garnish. Do this teamwork again.
Give it a little mixy.
This is just fun.
girl.
Do we have to share with our husbands?
Not today.
I know. All right, so we're just gonna garnish. I'm gonna go down first with sriracha mayo. Put down some peanuts, and I'll do some cilantro and sesame seeds. We're gonna do the taste test. We have to get the magical bite with all the yummy goodness.
I'm going to spin it.
Yeah.
Spin, spin, spin. Oh, this is about to be messy.
I got a big bite, but I don't even care.
Cheers, girl.
Yes.
A little spicy,
Hot.
a little hot, low carb. She made such a delicious creation.
I can't do it. So hot.
It's burning your
Don't
face.
put it in there.
Don't look at her right now. It was good though.
So good, I'll burn my mouth for it. No, it was
What did
so
you burn
good.
your mouth on?
Shirataki.
Try it.
Oh,
What do you think? That's good, isn't it?
Really tasty. That
Yeah.
was some tasty vittles.
tasty vittles.
Tasty vittles.
Yeah.